Jasmine tea is one of the most popular beverages around the world, known for its delicate floral aroma and refreshing taste. But have you ever wondered if jasmine tea contains caffeine? In this video, we're going to uncover 5 amazing facts about jasmine tea, including the caffeine content that will surprise you. Jasmine tea is a blend made from green, white, or oolong tea leaves infused with jasmine flowers, offering a fragrant and soothing experience. But many people are curious about one thing: does it have caffeine? Let's find out the truth behind this popular tea and explore 5 amazing facts you need to know. While jasmine tea does contain some caffeine, the amount largely depends on the type of tea used as the base. Typically, green tea, which is commonly used to make jasmine tea, contains less caffeine than black tea. This makes jasmine tea a great option for those who are sensitive to caffeine but still want to enjoy the benefits of tea. However, if you are looking for a completely caffeine-free version, you can opt for herbal jasmine blends, which contain no tea leaves at all. One of the reasons jasmine tea is so appealing is due to its calming effect, which is often attributed to the presence of L-theanine, an amino acid found in tea leaves. While the caffeine can provide a mild energy boost, the calming effect of L-theanine helps balance out the stimulating effects of caffeine, making jasmine tea an excellent choice for relaxation. The floral aroma of jasmine is also thought to reduce stress and anxiety, making it perfect for winding down after a long day. Despite its relatively low caffeine content, jasmine tea still packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. The antioxidants in jasmine tea, such as catechins, are believed to support heart health and boost the immune system. Furthermore, the combination of antioxidants and jasmine's calming properties may help improve sleep quality and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The key moment comes when we consider the variety of jasmine tea options available. From green tea to oolong and even herbal jasmine blends, each type offers a different experience and caffeine level. If you're sensitive to caffeine, opting for a white or green jasmine tea can be a good middle ground. On the other hand, if you love a more robust tea experience, you might prefer the richness of an oolong-based jasmine tea. To sum it up, jasmine tea can contain caffeine, but it varies depending on the type of tea base used. Whether you're looking for a calming, low-caffeine beverage or a more stimulating cup, there's a jasmine tea out there for you to enjoy. So, the next time you're sipping on a fragrant cup of jasmine tea, you can feel confident knowing exactly what's in your cup. If you've enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love tea. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tea facts and tips.